Hello everyone, it's Ollie from the Weird Shack. The Weird Shack are brand ambassadors to Playerammo. Today we are opening the box. I have a box of strawberry lemonade here, or a tub, and a shaker. So, I've already opened it already, but let's get into it. So, opening up, Playerammo, thank you. The box looks awesome. Look at the pans and stuff. I love that. I love it. We have a... Oh, the box is in the way. It's still in the way. We have a... Thank you for ordering the official Playerammo X Baki edition. Beautiful. Beautiful. Laminate card. Very, very, very cool. Got a little scene here. Hey there! Long time no see, ogre! I don't know how this guy speaks. You're late and changed? I was just having fun with our friend here. That's what they both sound like. I don't know if they sound like that. So ooh, the packet, beautiful little packet. Let's open it up. Listen to that. No, it's too stuck. Ooh, that's awesome. It's like slightly see-through. The blood splatters. Mate, that's nice. I like that. Ooh, I really, really like that. The red's really popping. Mate, that's a gorgeous shaker. Ooh. I love that. That's awesome. Look at that. Whew. Whew. Beautiful. And then we have two coasters. Damn. Lovely. I like those. And then, ooh, look at that. It's really nice. Look at the art. Ooh, damn. Playerammo put a lot of effort into this. Looks really nice, really tidy. Whew. Ooh, that tub looks awesome. So, we were going to try some today. There's all the details if you can see it. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all there. Follow them. Great team. I've actually spoke to them. They're all so genuine and nice. Great people. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a brand ambassador. I wanted to work with them because they were lovely people. So, I will try the first one. I am going to give it a quick rinse out. Just for a second. Because I haven't washed these yet. Ah! Water everywhere! We're okay. We're good. Okay, so. Got the cup. I need to stand this up. I will put it on the Playerammo box. Maybe we can see. Kind of. Okay, so there is the thing. Tub is here. Sealed for your protection. That's what I like. The freshness. Ooh, that smells good. Oh. Ooh, you already smell the lemon. Oh, it smells well good. It smells good. Oh, I'm excited for this. Very excited. Scoop. One scoop. A little bit more. because I didn't add that much. Okay. It's probably going to be a lovely noise of the water tipping in. Slush. Ooh. It's very pink. I don't want to tip it too much because it's quite full. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like strawberry lemonade. No. It smells nice. It smells like a sweet. Maybe like I can't put my finger on it. Maybe like a love heart. It smells a bit like a strawberry love heart kind of flavour. Get that on good. Give it a shaky shaky. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's really, really nice. Ooh, I think I'm going to enjoy that. That's really nice. I can't put my finger on the flavour. It's really nice though. It's like a... definitely like a love heart kind of flavour. That's really, really nice. Thank you, Playerammo. That was really, really good. I like that. I will really enjoy that whilst I'm working and out adventuring and doing skits and many things. But yeah, really, really, really good. If you enjoyed the video, give a little like and a subscribe down below, and please, 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 it's so good. You need to order some of this. It's so good. You can get it now. It's delicious. You can use WeirdShack10 as a discount code to get 10% off, boys. 10%. We need that. You need it. I need it. It's so good. It's so good. And I'm really getting hot in here. But seriously, it's really good. Delicious. WeirdShack10. Link in the description. Pop that in. Get yourself some Playerammo. These sets are awesome. Awesome art. Delicious. And if you like Baki, collect them. I've got my pots behind there. Once I've done with this, boom. Now I'm going to get more flavours. More flavours. They've done a whole art style for all of them. All the different flavours. Strawberry lemonade. Blue raspberry. Fruit punch. Mwah, delicious. Catch you on the flip flop.